Strawberry cream cheese stuffed French toast with Dubai chocolate. Now here's my recipe, and it makes enough for 4 servings. Don't forget to screenshot this. Into a bowl, crack 2 eggs. You'll want to add a 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and a generous sprinkle of cinnamon. Give this a good mix to break up the egg yolks and to mix everything together, and set this aside. Now I love using Philadelphia brand cream cheese. I use it in all my bakes. We're going to use a 1/2 stick or 4 ounces. And it's going into about 2 tablespoons of strawberry compote right here. You want to mix until you get something that looks like this. Now add in fresh strawberries and mix it again. You want to divide this mixture into 4 and spread it evenly amongst 4 slices of bread. Now with the extra slices of bread, I'm just putting it on top so I have like a sandwich, and I'm just gently pressing it together. This is how I set up when I'm ready to cook my French toast. I have my pan on medium-low heat. And when it's hot, add in your butter and give it a good swirl. You might have to stir your egg batter again. Dip your French toast. Now be careful. You don't want the bread to fall apart because it's wet. Be gentle here. And into the pan it goes. Just like that. Just let it cook until it's golden brown like this. Isn't that beautiful? And don't forget to cook the sides so you get some nice caramelization there as well. I just hold it perpendicular to the pan to cook it. Now when serving your French toast, top it with some pistachio Kataifi and drizzle on as much chocolate as your heart feels like. There we go. That looks good. Now don't forget about your pistachio butter as well. Have you tried pistachio butter? It is really so delicious. Yep. That's a good amount right there. Now add on some chopped pistachios for a different texture of crunch. And let's not forget our pretty swirls of whipping cream. And then if you're making it for someone you really love, don't forget to add your strawberry hearts. And there you have it. Strawberry cream cheese stuffed French toast with Dubai chocolate. Now let's go make some.